Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how to make a pumpkin butter lotion. So I'll be using mango butter today. Mango butter is one of my staple butters. I use it in a lot of my DIY creations. It's a must-have in your own DIY activities. So I also use murmur butter in this creation, and of course pumpkin seed oil. This is a season for pumpkins. This year I'm having a ton of pumpkins in my garden, which is awesome. And I'll be using avocado oil as well as a bunch of essential oils in this mix. You can also use vanilla essence in this body butter lotion. So the reason I call it a body butter lotion is because it is not just a butter, but it has the texture of a lotion, which makes it soft. So it becomes soft and easy to apply on the skin. So using murmur butter in combination with mango butter is highly recommended because mango butter helps your murmur butter to be a bit more balanced in terms of texture. So right now you can see I'm just melting everything down as I usually do, and I'll be adding some avocado oil. I already measured out the amount I will be adding, but I just wanted to show the color of the avocado oil. I'm using the refined version in this video because I wanted to balance out the color of this butter as well. So I wanted to use plain colored oil. Refined avocado oil still retains a lot of the benefits of avocado oil, just without the pigmentation. So most of our refined products are refined using glaze, so not heat as you would find in some other companies. So pumpkin seed oil is one of the staple oils in this product that I'm making because it has a very fatty texture, and I wanted to make a really dense lotion that will be highly moisturizing to the skin. And it's pumpkin season, like I said before, so I'm definitely incorporating a lot of the pumpkin seed oil as I move along. So I wanted to retain that lotion-like texture, so I did go ahead and top it up as I went along, and you would see how the butter lotion just transforms in this video. So as the holiday season is approaching, I just want you to know that we will be offering a lot of packages. So we'll be offering starter packs as well as professional packs, including various ingredients, butters, oils, essential oils in one pack, just to make it easier for you to just grab one product and just move on to make your holiday creation, gifts, and products that you're still selling, handmade products that you're selling. We would be catering for everybody. So we are definitely the cheapest company that you would find for high quality butters and oils, and we sell on Walmart.com, we sell on Amazon, and these outlets you find products, high quality products. But on our website you would find the cheapest version of the product, so you find the cheapest price for the same products that you would get. So I would advise you, if you're looking to buy in bulk, definitely contact us directly, and we can also create custom orders for you to make sure that you're able to economically make your purchases as the holiday season is approaching. So here you can see how the texture of the butter lotion looks. It's very soft and very lotion-like. So some people don't like butters because they tend to be dense and hard to apply and spread on the skin. So definitely feel free to make this lotion-like butter because it applies directly to the skin and it has high fatty ingredients that makes it really great for moisturizing the skin, keeping it soft and supple all day long. So as the weather is getting colder, definitely try this recipe and let me know if you're going to try it or if you already tried it. I really appreciate you for watching, and definitely stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day. God bless.